quello che è come la classe integrale.
These are the architect, engineer.
C'est l'équivalent, c'est l'italien Michelin en fait. T'as vu le klaxon?
Okay. I understand. This is why he said the Italians like their
La
cars,
moitié du monde.
small cars. So they developed the passion from when they're young. See their parents already bringing them here when they're this age. You know, that's how they develop liking, loving cars. Wow. What is this? This is what the royals used back in the days. Look at this. The army generals, military leaders will use this back in the days.
It was produced in the USA.
What do you mean?
Cars got bigger and bigger over time.
This is like a luxury vintage.
Katy Perry.
Can you take my picture here? You want to do I want to take a picture? Where that guy? That guy playing guitar.
You want to take a picture?
I'll stay there so you take me in the car. 1 second.